Good morning, CNG 132 500 online class. Happy Monday, the 3rd of April. Hope you guys had a good spring break, Westminster and Boulder campus. Everybody should be on week 11 content at this point. With week 11, basically we're working with ACLs, mandatory access controls, discretionary access controls, rule-based. This chapter is more heavily on vocabulary, so as you read it, probably take some notes. Defining, make some notes that specifically define what the role or rule is. When you see these in a MTA certification or CompTIA certification, they're going to ask like, what's the least restrictive, what's the most restrictive, and then you'll know how to correctly get the answer. What is a time? What is an event based off of time? What is based just off an event itself? So make sure you have some good notes when entering this chapter. I did receive a few emails about Transcender. I will open up Transcender after week 12 when we do our third test. As you see, if you peek there, there's our third test next week. We'll be able to take that. After that, I will open up a Dropbox submission where you will just take a snippet of your test score and simply submit it in the Dropbox at that point, and then I would just go ahead and make the changes to your test before that. So if you haven't purchased Transcender, please do that now. Once again, there is I think a short video that walks you through the Transcender. I thought I had it down there. The Transcender account. Yeah, so I do have a video that walks you through Transcender, posted March 13th. It shows you how to access that. Hopefully a lot of you have this already. Do not wait. It does take time to rehearse that software to make sure you have a score of 85 or more. Also with that, I wanted to make sure, since we're drawing to the end here, that you guys are aware of DreamSpark. I just did Bing just to see what the results would get. I searched Front Range Community College on the hub. I believe it did come up, yes, right here. frcconthehub.com. Go ahead and click this and then go to your sign in. This one is my student account. Helps me mock what you guys do. Click that. You want to sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be able to see what you have signed into. I have one thing in my basket. I don't really remember what that is. Visual Studio. Okay. Visual Studio is a handy piece of software. In here, you'll be able to get Windows ISOs, discount on Office products, which are okay. But what I appreciated the most was all the different things you can get from Microsoft for free. A project, Access server. They used to have a Exchange server. Yeah, there we go. So there's Exchange 2013, which we should see another Exchange coming out soon. SQL Developer, Visual Studio, Visio Professional. I've used Visio many times. If you were even to Google it, I think it comes out to about $300, but you can get it for free. So make sure you take advantage of this. And when you do order, make sure you download the ISOs, store them somewhere specific, and then also make sure you take a snip of the keys also. As you can see, I ordered stuff clear back in 2011, which I think I should still have access to, but maybe not have access to the keys anymore. Yep. So it showed that my access to the keys expired, and just to do that, if you run across the same issue, basically you just click what can I do now, and I think it was I forget how much it was, $15. Oh, there it says right there. Okay, wait. Yeah, okay. So $11.95. And that just gives you access for 60 days. But once again, simply download the ISOs, put them in OneDrive, put them in your Google Drive, put them in Dropbox. I hate to say Dropbox. If you actually look at their history, they've been hacked quite a bit. So use Google, or preference would be use Google or OneDrive preferably. But store all this stuff. It's free to you. And if you don't believe me on the prices, feel free to search, see what they're being offered for free, and then go search the price. You'll see it's well worth it. Any questions on this, feel free to email me. There used to be, VMware used to be free, but now I think it's at a discount. It says 12, but I believe they're on 12.5. Okay, so it's free. VM Workstation 12 is free. Download that. I mean, it's free software that you can use, that you should be using and taking advantage of as a CNG, CIS, CSC, CWB student. With all that software, you could be, it'll definitely help you be job ready, especially when you're leaving here, just to get familiar with it. Any other questions, feel free to email me this week. Once again, welcome back. And I will start grading Chapter 10's content here shortly.